If you have LODs with the same name in the parent assembly and subassemblies, you can link them so all of the LODs in the subassemblies activate when you activate the one in the parent assembly. In this lesson, I'll create an LOD in the top assembly, and then create one in a subassembly. When I use the link LODs command, they'll stay in sync. First, I want to show you how the standard LODs work. They're linked by default, so you can see the behavior. When I activate the All Parts Suppressed LOD, the parts in the subassemblies are also suppressed. I'll expand the housing subassembly so you can see the LOD is active. I'll return to the master LOD, and the housing returns to master as well. Next, I'll create a new LOD based on the Show Internals view rep. This view rep turns off visibility of components in two of the subassemblies, so the LOD suppresses them. Notice that when the LOD is activated, a temporary one is created in the side cover subassemblies. When I return to the master LOD, the subassembly also returns to master, and the temporary LOD in the subassembly disappears. I'll activate the Show Internals LOD again, and then I'll open one of the subassemblies. It opens in its current state with the temporary LOD active. I'll right-click on the Level of Detail node and select New Level of Detail. I'll rename this LOD Show Internals, and then I'll save and close file. When Inventor returns to the parent assembly, you can see the subassembly still has the temporary LOD, even though Show Internal still shows up on the LOD list. I'll return to the master LOD. Then I'll go to Productivity Group and click on Link Levels of Detail. And then I'll select Show Internals from the list and click OK. A dialog displays that says the LOD will change and it needs to be saved. I'll click OK to continue. This time, the Show Internals LOD is active in the subassembly. One linked LOD that I use frequently is No Fasteners. Fasteners are the most common components, but you usually don't do much with them after they are placed. I discussed creating no fastener view reps in the previous lesson, so you can hide them, but view reps can be changed from a parent assembly. By creating no fastener LODs, you can turn them on and off from the top-level assembly.